right, number 7. When you add or subtract fractions, you have to have a common denominator. In other words, the same last name. Look at their denominator. Their last names or denominator is 5. That's a good thing when you're adding or subtracting because you keep the denominator. Well, if you have 3/5 plus 4/5 gives me 7/5. Now, 7/5 is an improper fraction. It's going to tip over. If you remember, it's like an upside down triangle. It tips over. So how many times does 5 go into 7? 5 goes into 7 one whole time with how many left over? 2/5. Or if you want to look at it this way, how many times does 5 go into 7? 5 goes into 7 one time with how many left over? Oops, excuse me, having a moment. With how many left over? 2. So 1 and 2/5. 1 and 2/5. All right, next problem.